Deep underground, on the border of France and Switzerland, there is a machine almost no one will ever see in person. A 27-kilometer ring, buried beneath the ground, built to push particles close to the speed of light. It is called CERN. Some call it one of the greatest scientific machines ever built. Others say humanity is playing with something it barely understands. People talk about portals, black holes, antimatter, even reality itself. But what is CERN actually doing? The answer is less supernatural, and maybe even stranger. CERN is not opening a doorway to another world. It is trying to understand this one. Inside the Large Hadron Collider, particles move through underground tubes in opposite directions. Powerful magnets guide them around the ring. Then, at specific points, the particles collide. Not a portal, not a weapon, not a secret ritual. A collision. For less than a blink, matter breaks into something more revealing. But no human eye can see it. The particles are too small, too fast, and disappear almost instantly. So CERN uses enormous detectors. They are not normal cameras. They record traces, paths, energy, charge, and momentum. A particle appears, leaves a signal, and vanishes. Scientists rebuild the event from what was left behind. That is the real work of CERN. One question, repeated again and again: what is matter made of? Your body, the air, water, metal, and the screen you are watching are all made of particles. And those particles follow rules we still do not fully understand. That is why CERN attracts so many rumors. When people hear particle collisions, black holes, antimatter, and underground tunnel, the imagination fills in the rest. The real machine already sounds impossible. A hidden ring underground, particles near light speed, magnets colder than space, and detectors larger than buildings. But CERN's official explanation is clear. It is not trying to destroy the world. It is trying to measure it. Even the black hole rumors are not what they sound like. CERN says that if microscopic black holes were ever produced, they would decay almost instantly. The real mystery is not whether CERN opens portals. The real mystery is why reality needs a machine this extreme just to be understood. The world looks solid, stable, familiar. But underneath it, there is a hidden layer of motion, energy, and rules we are still trying to decode. So here is the question. Is CERN just a scientific machine built to study particles? Or proof that reality itself is much stranger than we were ever told?